Hi people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are coming across my video for the first time, my name is Mary Anodinakajuku. Okay, even though you are not seeing my face in today's video, stay put. You're going to be learning something very important. A lot of people do not know that ChatGPT is here to make things easier. AI is here to make things easier for people. Okay, since I discovered this, I don't stress myself over many things. All I need to do is just to prompt ChatGPT the right way and I'll get my results. So in today's video, I want to teach you how you can create your YouTube thumbnail with ChatGPT. You don't need to go to Canva for any design or to use any maybe Adobe whatever to design your thumbnail. All you need to do is to use AI, ChatGPT specifically, to do that. Like what you're seeing on your screen right now, I did this with ChatGPT. I don't need to start designing from scratch. Okay, so let's go in so that we see some other designs that I've made with ChatGPT. Like this design you're seeing now, I also made it with ChatGPT. I didn't design from scratch. Even this one also, I made it with ChatGPT. So let's dive into the stuff. So first of all, I'm going to locate my browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge for this. I open my browser and then I type in ChatGPT, OpenAI. Okay, so I'll click on it. If you've already signed up signed up in ChatGPT, you don't need to sign up again. All you need to do is just to log in. Okay, but I'm signing up because I haven't done that before now with another account. Okay, I'm creating another account for the sake of those who do not know how to create accounts with ChatGPT. So here it is. I click on, either you click on that place written login with a black background, or you click on that place clicking ChatGPT with a drop down arrow. It will bring you to this place. So because you're signing up, you're going to put in the email address you're using to sign up. Okay, and it should be an email address that you haven't used before now to log in to sign up in ChatGPT. Because if it is already signed up, it's not going to, it is going to take you directly to logging in and not signing up. So I'm putting in my details, so everything is going to go blank right now. Okay, so when I'm done filling my details, they're going to send me a code to my email, the email I used to register. So all I need to do is just to go to my email and look for the code and input it. So here's my email. If I scroll down, I'm going to see it up there. Yes, so see here's the code. All right, so I'll copy the code and then head over to my browser and paste it there. So when I'm done pasting it, I'm going to click on continue. Then other details will follow. You fill in the details. So once you are done filling in the details, it's going to just bring you here. So here is your ChatGPT. You're already logged in. So all you need to do is, start prompting your ChatGPT. But before then, I like using instead of asking anything, I'll click on those arrows, those two arrows at the top, and then click on GPTs, and then I like using, there are so many GPTs you can use. Okay, I like using listicle word at scale. That's the one I like using. All right, so if you type in the listicle, or you can use anyone can do the work. Okay, so here it is, this one, listicle builder. I've already clicked on it. Okay, so I'll now click on start chat so that I can now start prompting it. All right, so here we are. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT. Okay, let's assume that I don't even know how to prompt ChatGPT. I'll ask ChatGPT to help me generate a prompt that I will use to prompt ChatGPT. Okay, to create a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, I try to put detailed prompts. So to use and create a YouTube thumbnail for a video titled how to create YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT. Okay, so here it is. So ChatGPT is going to give me the prompts to use. So here my prompt is ready. Okay, I'm not going to be reading it, but it's so detailed, even this dimension. So I'm going to now go to GPT again. I've copied the prompts. I'll go to GPT and type image generator. Okay, so here it is, the first one. I'll click on it. You can use any of them. Like I said, you can use any of them. So I'll click on start chat. So I'll now paste the prompt here so that it will now generate the image. This one is used to generate the image. Remember, I use the listicle to generate the prompts. Okay, because I don't know how to prompt ChatGPT in a detailed way, how to give me a prompt. So I asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt, and then don't mind the hashtags all over, it still understands. Okay, so here's my prompt. I'm trying to remove other stuff that are not needed here. Okay, so I've sent it, waiting for my results. So while we are waiting for the results, the image, that ChatGPT is going to generate for us, please, I want to beg you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a lot for you, a lot in store for you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click the subscription button. It doesn't cost a fortune. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your data will not, get exhausted because you subscribe. Please subscribe. So whenever you subscribe, it encourages me to make more videos. I have lots of videos that I want to publish that will teach you how to maximize ChatGPT, for your online journey, and other stuffs that you can do to make money. So I don't like the image it generated. First of all, is that the write-up is not correct. Instead of thumbnails, there's an L missing in that thumbnail. So I had to tell ChatGPT to regenerate it. So that's what I was typing in. If ChatGPT gives you an image that you do not like, you can tell it to regenerate. All right. So, and also I don't like the cartoon image it used. I want it to be a real human image, so that it will be realistic, even though this cartoon image is very beautiful. Okay, and it's also important that you know that if you are using free version of ChatGPT, that you're only entitled to 3 images per day. Okay, once you exceed the 3 images, you have to wait till the next day before you generate more images. So if you have the money, you can subscribe for their higher package, so that you will have unlimited access to generating images. All right, so that is it. I've asked it to regenerate image, and here's the only thing to edit. I asked it to change the to correct the write-up, right? So but it's still asking me some questions. It's asking whether I would like a human character to look like a generic YouTuber, or more like a professional designer or tech person. So I now responded, a casual YouTuber or creator. Right, let's wait and see the results. So here is our second result, which is a lot more beautiful than the first one. So I'm trying to download the file. Just click on that drop down arrow. Okay, so yes, it has downloaded into my device. So the next thing we are going to do is to compress the image, because normally the image will be bigger than 2 MB, and for thumbnails it shouldn't be more than 2 MB. Okay, so I just open my file compressor. Is an app. You just go to your Play Store, your Apple Store, download file compressor, and then you select the image. So now I finished compressing my image and I've downloaded it already to my device. So my image is ready for upload on YouTube as my thumbnail. Alright, so that is it for how to use ChatGPT to create your YouTube channel. So before I go, please, I want to remind you once again to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It encourages me to make more videos like this. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.